Mirror work meditation day 18. Receiving prosperity. You can never create prosperity by talking about or thinking about your lack of money. This is wasted thinking and cannot bring you abundance. Dwelling on lack only creates more lack. Poverty thinking brings more poverty. Gratitude thinking brings abundance. There are a few attitudes and affirmations that are guaranteed to keep prosperity beyond reach. Resenting other people for the amount of money they have just puts up a wall between you and your own flow. And negative affirmations like there is never enough money and money goes out faster than it comes in represent poverty thinking of the worst kind. The universe can respond only to what you believe about yourself and about life. Examine whatever negative thoughts you have about money and then decide to let them go. They have not served you well in the past and they will not serve you well in future. You can buy an occasional lottery ticket for fun, but do not put a lot of attention into winning the lottery and thinking that will solve your problems. This is scarcity thinking and will not create lasting good. Winning the lottery seldom brings positive changes in anyone's life. In fact, most lottery winners lose almost all their winnings within the first 2 years and are often worse off financially than before they won. If you think that winning the lottery will solve all your problems, you are greatly mistaken because it doesn't involve changing your consciousness. In effect, you are saying to the universe, I don't deserve to have good in my life except by a fluke. If you change your thinking to allow the abundance of the universe to flow through your experience, you can have all the things you think the lottery can bring you. And you will be able to keep them because they will be yours by right of consciousness. Affirming, declaring, deserving, and allowing are the steps to attracting riches far greater than you could ever win in a lottery. Open your consciousness to new ideas about money and it will be yours. If you want to bring more money and prosperity into your life, repeat these affirmations with feelings. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. I am a magnet for money. Prosperity of every kind is drawn to me. At work, I am deeply appreciated and well compensated. I live in a loving, abundant, harmonious universe and I am grateful. I live in a loving, abundant, harmonious universe and I am grateful. I am open to the unlimited prosperity that exists everywhere. The law of attraction brings only good into my life. I move from poverty thinking to prosperity thinking, and my finances reflect this change. Good comes to me from everywhere and everyone. I express gratitude for all the good in my life. Each day brings wonderful new surprises. I pay my bills with love, and I rejoice as I write out each check. Abundance flows freely through me. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. I deserve the best, and I accept the best now. I release all resistance to money and allow it to flow joyously into my life. I release all resistance to money and allow it to flow joyously in my life. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. So it is.